Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to pause location on Life360 without knowing anyone. Now the first step is just open the application and let it load, and you will be like the home, like at the home section or the home interface. And if I go to my settings just to show you my location, just go to sharing location. As you can see, my location is turned on. Now if I turn my location off from this section, so like the people will get a notice that I have turned off my location. So instead what you can do is just go to the settings of your mobile phone, and inside the settings, either you are on Android or iPhone, just go to the settings and go to this section called apps or apps management, and just find the application called Life360. Just scroll down and find the application Life360 and open the application, and you will be seeing similar options like this. In Android, you will be seeing like clear data, clear cache, and permissions as well. So you just go to the permissions and find this option called location. Just open the first option called location, and now as you can see, you can just allow location access, set it to never. And once you set it to never, your location is turned on inside the app, but you just have like denied the access to location through your app management or the app section inside your phone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.